A few days ago I went to the store looking for those foam strips to put around the air conditioners to make a better seal in the window, and I was having a hard time finding the ones that I wanted, like the 1/2 inch or 1 inch ones, and I came across these, which are 2 1/4 inch. They're huge. And I thought, like, what a stupid product. Like, who the heck would use that? You know, if your install is that bad, you just gotta start all over again. And then I put this air conditioner in, which doesn't have side panels. And I'm thinking, gee, I really, I wish I had something to block this up with. And then it occurred to me that those stupid 2 1/4 inch things would be perfect. So I went back to the store and I bought a box of them. And they're made in USA, which is just baffling to me that a product like this, which you could probably make in China and not really have a lot of quality control issues, is made in the USA. Meanwhile, very important products that have severe quality control issues and safety issues are consistently made in China and just unable to be found made in the USA. So neither here nor there. So we have this. This will work in this case. Obviously, I don't think that this is the intended use case for these things, but it'll work in this case because there's no water issues, right? The rainwater does not come here because there is an overhang on this portion of the house. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this to size. Now let's stick this in here and see if this works. Well, you know what? That works pretty good. That made a really good seal. Now on the other side I think we're going to need 2, because this is a bigger gap. Now we almost got away with that. It's just a hair too short. We need to, yeah, I'm going to have, good thing I'm going to. I felt like I would need 2 because I thought that we might have to double it up on that side. You know, it's interesting, the thermostat on this air conditioner started working randomly yesterday. It never worked, at least in the time that I've had the machine. I'm sure it worked back in 1982 when the thing was made, but it hasn't worked in recent times for a while. And all of a sudden yesterday, I'm in here and I had it just where the thing always sits, and it was getting kind of cold, and all of a sudden it cut off. What the heck, did it just break? You know, but no, it was operating normally. So, interestingly enough, the thermostat on this thing has revived itself. I don't know why or how, but it came back to life, and it's working pretty good. So, that's kind of weird, but I'll take it. You know, never question things when they work the way you want them to. Just take it. Alright, so those foam pieces are installed, and not only does it look pretty reasonable, it makes a very good seal. Won't be getting any bugs in, and yeah, that's pretty good. So I have to eat my words on this one. This was not a stupid product. This was a fantastic product, and I'm quite pleased with it. So yeah, that's a good install. Much better than towels. Now, I wouldn't do this if this was in a situation where water, rainwater could come up right against the unit, but this is in the back of the house. The wind comes from the front usually, and there's an overhang anyways. The machine never gets rain on it, so it should be fine.